The physics of bubbles. Here, I simply tried to blow the biggest bubble I could. You can clearly see that as the bubble grows, it pulsates in a cycle, constantly growing a little bigger, then smaller, and repeating itself while it slowly grows in total volume. This gives a sort of constant ripple effect throughout the growth of the bubble, which I hypothesize is due to the fact that a bubble's movement is determined by gravitational waves inside the bubble. In this video, you can see a beautiful array of colors throughout the bubbles. When I was trying to maximize the amount of color shown in the bubbles, I found that one long, consistent blow did not do the trick, which just resulted in a large, basically colorless bubble as shown in the previous video. However, when I gave a very quick and aggressive blow, it resulted in a lot more smaller bubbles with lots of color. I hypothesized that this is due to the fact that the thickness of the bubble determines color, which would mean that the smaller, colorful bubbles in this video are more thin, and the larger bubbles are thick and colorless. In this picture, you can see the reflection created in the bubble. Interestingly enough, there seems to be two identical images, but one is upside down and reversed, and one right side up, which I show with the yellow line splitting between the two, representing the line of symmetry between the two split sections. To exhibit this idea, you can see I labeled myself and a point that I called X, which was the tip of my roof in the background. Both of the points seem to be reflected upon the yellow line and flipped upon the red line, showing that the lower half of the bubbles is a direct upside down and reversed image of the section of the bubble above the yellow line. I hypothesize that this occurs because the two images are reflections occurring at different surfaces of the bubble, with the right side up image being displayed on the front convex surface and the upside down image being displayed off of the rear curve of the bubble, which is a concave surface resulting in the inverted image.